This is an F8XM bought secondhand by a fellow enthusiast, with around 43,000 kilometers on it. After getting the car, he brought it over for a full vehicle baseline service. The service list is quite comprehensive: all fluids and filters, spark plugs, wheel balancing for 4 new Continental tires, wheel rim color change, and also fixing a differential oil leak, because on one side of the rear axle, the half-shaft oil seal has already started leaking oil. It needs to be replaced with a new one. Now, regarding this differential oil leak, it's a known common issue for F-chassis M models. It's exactly the same for the M2, M3, and M4 models. Without further ado, let's jump into the main footage to look at the entire workflow for this car. While the engine oil is draining, let's check out the condition of the chassis. Aside from a little oil seepage from one side of the differential half-shaft seal, everything else is in excellent shape. After all, it's a car with only about 30,000 kilometers. If this car were the competition package version, with the competition badge, it would be even more perfect. But the base model is also great. Finding an F-Series M car in this kind of condition is really rare nowadays. Now we are ready to remove the half shaft and install the new half shaft oil seal. This is a professional oil seal installation tool. This ensures the new oil seal is properly and evenly seated. Once driven in, there won't be any secondary leaks. The engine oil used this time is Motul 8105W 40 viscosity, which is highly suitable for aggressive driving. As for my review, I've used it twice myself. It's pretty good. Retighten the bolts. To torque spec. Once we ensure everything is perfect, we can reinstall the undertray, except for the transmission fluid which didn't need changing. All other chassis fluids and services are fully complete. Finally, we'll flush and replace the coolant, mount the new tires, do a wheel balance, and get ready to hand over the car. For the coolant, we are using the OEM fluid, diluted 1:1 with Watson's distilled water. Just fill and bleed the system according to factory standards, and we're good to go.